Namaste dear readers. Today we will chant the Neelakrita Anjaneya Stotra from the Parashara Samhita. This stotra is given in chapter 4 of Parashara Samhita. This stotra was sung by Neela, the son of Vibhishana. He was initiated into the path of Hanuman worship by Shukracharya. Let us chant this stotra now. Om Jaya Jaya Shri Anjaneya Kesari Priyanandana Vayukumara Ishvara Putra Parvati Garbha Sambhuta Vanaranayaka Sakala Veda Shastra Paraga Sanjeevani Parvatotpatana Lakshmana Prana Rakshaka Guha Pranadayaka Sita Dukkha Nivaraka Dhanyamali Shapa Vimochana Durdandi Bandha Vimochana Neela Megharajyadayaka Sugriva Rajyadayaka Bhimasena Graja Dhananjaya Dhvajavahana Kalanemi Samhara Mairavana Mardana Vritrasura Bhanjana Saptamantri Suta Dhvamsana Indrajidvadhakarana Akshakumara Samhara Lankini Bhanjana Ravana Mardhana Kumbhakarna Vadhaparayana Jambumali Nishudana Valini Barhana Rakshasakula Dahana Ashokavana Vidarana Lankadahaka Shatamukavadhakarana Saptasagara Vala Setu Bandhana Nirakara Nirguna Saguna Swarupa Hemavarna Pitambara Dhara Suvarchala Prananayaka Trimshat Kotyar Buddha Rudragana Poshaka Bhakta Palana Chatura Kanaka Kundala Bharana Ratna Kirita Haranupura Shobhita Rama Bhakti Tatpara Hemarambhavana Vihara Vakshatankita Meghavahaka Neela Meghashyama Sukshmakaya Mahakaya Balasuryagrasana Rishyamoga Girinivasaka Merupithakarchana Dvatrimshadayudadhara Chitravarna Vichitra Srishti Nirmana Karta Anantanama Dashavatara Aghatana Ghatana Samartha Ananta Brahman Nayaka Durjana Samhara Sujana Rakshaka Devendra Vandita Sakala Lokaradhya Satya Sankalpa Bhakta Sankalpa Puraka Ati Sukumara Deha Akardama Vinoda Lepana Koti Manmathakara Ranakeli Mardana Vijrumbhamana Sakala Loka Kukshimvara Sapta Koti Maha Mantra Tantra Swarupa Bhuta Preta Pishacha Shakini Dakini Vidhvamsana Shivalinga Pratisthapana Karana Dushkarma Vimochana Daurbhagyanaşana Jvaradi Sakala Roga Hara Bhukti Muktidayaka Kapatanataka Sutra Dharin Tala Vinodankita Kalyana Paripurna Mangala Pradha Ghanalola Ghanapriya Ashtanga Yoga Nipuna Sakala Vidyaparina Adi Madhyantarahita Yajnakartaha Yajnabhoktaha Shanmata Vaibhava Sanubhuti Chatura Sakala Lokatita Vishwambhara Vishwamurte Vishwakara Dayaswarupa Dasajana Hridaya Kamala Vihara Manovega Gamana Bhavagnya Nipuna Rishigana Geya ಭಕ್ತಮನೋರಥದಾಯಕ ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ದೀನಪೋಷಕ ದೀನಮಂದಾರ ಸರ್ವಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಆರ್ತತ್ರಾಣಪರಾಯಣ ಏಕ ಅಸಹಾಯ ವೀರ ಹನುಮನ್ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ.